Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, power, cables, and that both endpoints support the same line coding. Plug the Bert into the transmit port and the receiver into the far end. Use shielded cables for high-speed links. Once connected, set the test pattern and link speed to match the system under test, because mismatched parameters will yield meaningless results. Make sure to note the baseline noise floor and idle error rate before injecting patterns, so your later measurements are comparable. You now configure the test. Pick a PRBS pattern or fixed payload and select a realistic duration. Longer runs reveal rare errors. Then adjust transmit amplitude, pre-emphasis, and receiver equalization so the link is representative of production. These affect why errors appear. Once done, enable clock recovery and start transmission while watching BER counters and live eye diagrams. If you see rising errors, reduce speed or tweak equalization to isolate whether the issue is channel or device related. You finish by analyzing BER trends against specification and logging error timestamps and locations so you can correlate faults with events. Then run margin tests, vary amplitude, add jitter, and change temperature to find operational limits and root causes. Once complete, generate a concise report with pass/fail status and recommended fixes. If results are inconsistent, a key troubleshooting tip: swap cables and repeat the same test to rule out intermittent cabling faults before changing device settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.